Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakora English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jolly.
Every day, we help you understand English a little better, speak more naturally, and feel more confident. Not perfect English, just real, useful English.
And today, I have a small problem.
Oh no, what happened?
My friend asked me, "How was your day?" And I just stopped. I didn't know how to say it in English.
Really? Not even the simple parts?
No, I know the words morning and night, but I couldn't say what I actually do in the morning or at night. Getting up, having breakfast, going to work, nothing came out. It's so simple, but in that moment, my brain just froze.
Don't worry, Jolly. This happens to almost every English learner. We know a lot of words, but daily life is different.
Really?
Really. And that's exactly what we're learning today.
What do you mean?
Today, we're going to talk about a full day in English, from the morning you wake up to the night you go to sleep.
Morning to night?
Morning to night. Simple phrases, real routines, the exact words people use every single day.
So by the end of this, I can finally answer, "How was your day?"
Exactly. Easily and naturally.
I love that. Okay, before we start, can we ask everyone watching to subscribe?
Great idea. If you're learning English with us, subscribe to Speakora English Flow and practice with us every day.
Now, teach me, Lily.
Let's start at the very beginning of the day. When you open your eyes and leave the bed, we say,
Wake up?
close. Wake up means your eyes open. Get up means you leave the bed.
Oh, okay. So I get up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. That's exactly how we use it.
I get up at 7 o'clock. That's easy.
It is easy, and getting up is just the first step of your day.
So what happens next?
That's exactly where we're going next, from your bed all the way to your bedtime. So we already learned get up. Now, after you get up, what's the next thing you usually do?
I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth.
Right. And in English, we have one nice expression for all of that morning routine. Get ready.
Get ready.
Yes. Get ready means preparing yourself. Brushing your teeth, washing your face, choosing your clothes, everything before you leave the house.
Oh, so I can say I get up and then I get ready for work.
Exactly. That's a perfect sentence.
Nice. What about eating in the morning?
Good question. In the morning, we say have breakfast, not eat breakfast, although people understand that too. But have sounds more natural.
I have breakfast at 7:30.
Perfect. And before or after breakfast, many people also...
Take a shower?
Yes, take a shower, not do a shower.
Oh, I always say do a shower. Is that wrong?
It's a very common mistake. We say take a shower or have a shower. Both are correct, but never do a shower.
Okay, got it. I take a shower before breakfast.
Great sentence. So now imagine your whole morning. You get up, you get ready, you have breakfast, you take a shower, maybe not in that exact order.
For me, shower first, then breakfast.
That's totally normal. Everyone's morning is a little different. Now, after all of that, what's next?
Go to work?
Exactly. Go to work. Simple, but so useful.
I get ready, I have breakfast, and then I go to work.
See, you're already forming a full morning story.
This actually feels good.
It should. Now let's continue. On your way to work or when you arrive, what do many people do first?
Coffee.
Yes, get coffee. Very common phrase.
I get coffee before I start work.
Perfect. Let me tell you something funny. When I first started teaching, I used to say take coffee instead of get coffee. My students corrected me.
Really? Even teachers make mistakes?
Of course, everyone does. That's completely normal, even for native speakers learning new expressions.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let's jump ahead a little. It's the middle of the day. What happens to your stomach around lunchtime?
I get hungry.
Exactly. Get hungry. Notice something here, Jolly. We already used get up, get ready, get coffee, and now get hungry. Do you see a pattern?
Oh, get is everywhere.
Exactly. Get is one of the most useful words in English. It changes meaning depending on the word after it.
That's actually really helpful to know.
So when you get hungry around midday, what do you do?
Have lunch?
Perfect. Have lunch, just like have breakfast.
I get hungry around noon, so I have lunch.
Excellent sentence. And after lunch at work or school, people often need a short rest. We call this,
A break.
yes, take a break.
I take a break after lunch.
Exactly right. Small breaks like this help you relax during a busy day.
True. I definitely need breaks.
We all do. Now, let's move toward the evening. After a long day of work, what happens when you finally leave and arrive home?
Get home.
Yes, get home, not arrive home in casual conversation, although that's also correct. Get home is more natural in everyday speech.
I get home around 6 o'clock.
Perfect. And after a full day, work, lunch, more work, how do you usually feel by evening?
Tired. Very tired.
So how do we say that in English?
Get tired.
Exactly. I get tired in the evening.
Wow, get really is everywhere.
It really is. Now, one last phrase to complete your whole day. After dinner, relaxing, maybe watching something, eventually it's time to sleep. We say,
Go to bed.
perfect. I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
So now I actually have my whole day. Get up, get ready, have breakfast, take a shower, go to work, get coffee, get hungry, have lunch, take a break, get home, get tired, go to bed.
Look at that. That's your entire daily routine from morning to night in natural English.
This is amazing. I actually feel like I could answer, how was your day now?
You definitely could. But let's make sure these phrases really stick in your memory. Ready for some practice?
Ready.
All right, let's practice. I'm going to give you a small situation, and you tell me the correct phrase. Ready?
Ready.
It's 7 in the morning. Your eyes are open, but you're still in bed. What do you do first?
I wake up?
Close. Remember the difference.
Oh, wait. Wake up is the eyes opening. So this is get up.
Exactly. I get up.
This is fun.
Next one. You just got up. Now you're brushing your teeth and choosing your clothes. What's this called?
Get ready.
Perfect. Try it in a full sentence.
I get ready before breakfast.
Excellent. Now, morning meal. What do you say?
I have breakfast.
And what about washing yourself with water standing up?
I take a shower. Not do a shower.
You remembered. I'm impressed.
I don't want to make that mistake again.
Good. Now, here's a small role play. Imagine I'm your coworker and I ask you about your morning. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Jolly, what time did you get up today?
I got up at 7, then I got ready and had breakfast quickly.
Nice. And did you have coffee?
Yes, I got coffee before I left the house.
Perfect answers. See how natural that sounds?
It really does. It doesn't feel like a lesson anymore. It feels like a real conversation.
That's exactly the goal. Okay, let's move to the middle of the day. Around noon, your stomach starts making noise. What's happening?
I get hungry.
And then?
I have lunch.
Great. After lunch, you feel like resting for a few minutes before going back to work. What do?
I take a break.
Perfect. Now here's a tricky one for you. Fill in the blank. After lunch, I usually blank a short break before going back to my desk.
Take.
Exactly. I take a short break.
I got it right.
You did. Let's keep going. It's 6 o'clock and you finally leave work and arrive at your house. What do you say?
I get home.
And by this point in the day, how do you usually feel?
I get tired.
Exactly. Now, one more role play. Imagine your friend calls you in the evening and asks how your day was. Try answering using as many phrases as you can.
Okay, let me try. My day was good. I got up at 7, got ready, and had breakfast. Then I got coffee and went to work. Around noon, I got hungry, so I had lunch, and I took a short break after. I got home around 6, and now I'm getting tired.
Jolly, that was fantastic. Every single phrase used correctly in one natural answer.
I can't believe I actually did that.
You did, and that's real progress, using full sentences, not just single words.
This feels so much better than just memorizing a list.
That's exactly why we practice this way. Real situations, real answers. One more quick correction exercise. Tell me what's wrong with this sentence. I do a shower every morning.
That's wrong. It should be, I take a shower every morning.
Perfect catch. And what about this one? I arrive home and I get tired.
Actually, that one sounds okay to me.
It's grammatically fine, but remember, get home sounds more natural than arrive home in casual everyday conversation.
Right. I get home and I get tired.
Exactly. Small changes, but they make your English sound much more natural.
I really feel like I understand my whole day now in English.
You should feel proud. You went from freezing on how was your day to giving a full natural answer.
It's such a big difference already.
And that's the power of learning real everyday phrases instead of just vocabulary lists.
So now what?
Now let's bring everything together, a full review and a little more before we finish today's lesson.
Okay, Jolly, let's bring it all together. Today we walked through a full day. 12 simple phrases that describe your whole routine from waking up to going to bed.
Let's hear them one more time.
Get up, get ready, have breakfast, take a shower, go to work, get coffee, get hungry, have lunch, take a break, get home, get tired, go to bed.
12 phrases, and now they're actually mine.
Exactly. And remember the small but important corrections. Take a shower, not do a shower. Get home, more natural than arrive home in daily conversation.
And get really is everywhere. Get up, get ready, get coffee, get hungry, get home, get tired.
You noticed that pattern perfectly. One small word, so many everyday meetings.
So if someone asks me, how was your day now?
Go ahead. Answer it one more time right now just for practice.
My day was good. I got up, got ready, had breakfast, took a shower, and went to work. I got coffee, and later I got hungry, so I had lunch and took a break. Then I got home, and now I'm getting a little tired.
Perfect, Jolly. That's real, natural English, the kind people actually use every day.
It feels amazing to actually say it, not just understand it.
That's the real goal here at Speakora. Not just knowing words, but using them naturally in real life.
Speaking of practicing more, Lily, what should we watch next if we want to keep improving this?
Great question. If you enjoyed today's lesson, there's another Speakora lesson you might really like, how to practice English alone every day. It's perfect for building on what we learned today, especially if you want to practice speaking even when nobody's around to talk to.
Oh, that's a really good next step. Practicing daily routines is great, but practicing alone every day keeps that progress going.
Exactly. Watch that one next and keep practicing consistently.
All right, everyone. Before we go, please subscribe to Speakora English Flow if you're learning with us today.
And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. We'd love to know which phrase from today's lesson will you use this week.
Tell us in the comments. We really do read them, and we love seeing your progress.
I already know mine. I'm definitely using get coffee tomorrow morning.
That's a great one to start with. And remember, everyone, your English doesn't need to be perfect right now.
Every small phrase you practice today is one step closer to speaking naturally.
Exactly. Little by little, your English will start to flow.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to start flowing.
See you in the next Speakora English Flow lesson. Bye!